Hello guys, how are you all? Today I am telling about the market analysis. Uh, Analysis is a method in which the traders make buying and selling decisions by studying and analyzing history, data, and present data. Types of analysis, there are three types of analysis. One is fundamental analysis, second is technical analysis, and third is sentimental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the process of breaking down the impact of political, economic, and social factors on the relative value of a currency. Like these days, a very Ukraine situation is very hurting the markets, and there is a volatility is everywhere, and can't understand and can't make the patterns. Okay, so this is the fundamental analysis, uh, like this. Okay, and the second one is the technical analysis, a range of techniques used to try and forecast future price movement of financial product based on historical price movement and patterns. Like this, we are making the patterns, many technical analysis has many shapes in the chart of the every market. Like this is the uptrend, and it's stuck in the some areas, so this is the technical analysis. Okay, uh, third one is the sentimental analysis used to gauge how other traders feel. Okay, whether it's about the overall currency market or about a particular currency pair. uh, like this, it's now it's going down, asking the other traders, so discuss uh, each others, and someone it's not yet to trade now. Okay, so this is the sentimental analysis. So today I am we are, because this sentimental analysis and the fundamental analysis is the long term for trading, used for long term. So in the binary, we are using the technical analysis. Its binary is affect the fundamental analysis also, and sentimental analysis also you need, but the more focus on your technical analysis in the binary, because you are trading 3 minutes for 5 minutes for 1 minute, so it's a short term. So it's a so you need to work on the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Okay, uh, I am giving some examples for the technical analysis. Okay, uh, today I am on a demo because today it's not good day for the trades, because today is Ukraine issues. So this is the I am the main this is the I mark the lowest, every lowest. Okay, and then I predict its touch here and it's go up. Then I took the trade here for 3M above. See, okay, this is the result. So it's making some small m here, now it's making big M here. So that's why is the technical analysis is the it's make the M shape. Okay, small m shape, now it's make the big M shape. Okay, so that's why I took the trade here for above, because the technical analysis it's give you the entry point where and predict the First, when I mark the line here, there is no market, no touch here. Market it's going down. Then I predict here the market went touch here, so it's go up. Okay, so that's why. So now I am giving the some one example more. So market the stuck in this area for some time in the uptrend. Okay, it's the touch here, go up, down, some it's look up again, touches your entry point. Where is your entry point? Your entry point is here for down, here for down, okay, and here for above. Okay, when the your mark line touch the you market touch your mark line, so there is the entry point, you take the above, but you need to wait for some time, and because there is maybe a break, but you need to make the I share in the my group, in the my channel, the candle reading. Okay, you need to read the candle when will be candle make like this, so it's touch here, so it's go up. Okay, so you need to read the candles book. Okay, so study of the candles, so there is the very important like this make like this shape, so it's market, so it's down here, it's like this shadow here, so it's down here. Okay, you need to read all your okay, this the shade here, the market touch here, wait, some it's make the some green here. When the market makes some this like this, then you take the trade for above for 3 m or 1 2 3 4 5 5 mm also you can take above. Okay, so now the market is stuck one more thing, so I'll clear for this for you. It's like this here. Okay, there, and now market is stuck in this area. In this area now market is stuck in this area. There is also you can take the trades if when the market touch here, you can take for uh, 2 m above. Okay, there is touch here 2 m down, or there is touch here 2 m up. Okay, so it's also you can uh, you can take the trade here, and now I'm telling you where you can take the trade, predict the market. Okay, I took the trade here for 2 m down, because there is the hesitation. Okay, there is the hesitation, so that's why I took the trade here. It should be shadow here, and market it's go down for some time. So let's see the result. see the result. Okay, you can predict. This is the technical analysis. You can without any you can make the zigzag for your prediction also, and you without any indicator. Okay, you can use your technical analysis and you need to build your analysis. Okay, so if you want to more confirmation it's break or not break, you need to you can add the like stochastic oscillator is a technical indicator, MACD is also technical indicator. So there is the its market is in oversold condition, so there is more come down for some time. Okay, but the market it's not trustable today, so I'll make you another technical shape for you finding. See, there is also you mark like this highest, all highest level, you mark the line, trend line I put here, and there is a trend line I put here for all lowers. Okay, where do I find here to like this? If the previous I mark the trend line here and here. Okay, there is the some uptrend here. Okay, touch this line and up, touch. Now at this stage it's break this and make like this. Now downtrend. Okay, there is some uptrend, now it's a downtrend. Okay, there is it's make the some M here. Okay, it's like M here also. Okay, there is also it's make some M, but it's stuck in this area for some time. So this there is you can take the trade here, you can take the trade. There is this like this shadow. Okay, this you can take the also trade here for birds make some huge green candles. Okay, 5 m 3 m you can take the trade here for above. Here is also you can take the trade here above. Okay, there is you can take the trade for here for lower for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes. Okay, or 2 minutes. Okay, is 1 2 3 minutes also you can take the trade here. Here touch here, you can take the trade here for lower for 2 m 3 m. their market not go for above. If the market touch here and it's make some like this, so next candle you take the trade here for a lower, or it's a you can confirmation for this the candle make the lower close the lower candle of the previous one. So you predict that it's it will be go down for sometimes. Okay, so there is you can take the trade for 3 m down here. Okay, 1 one minute it's some go up, touch the line again, and it's go down, then it's go up. The third one is the huge. All right, so you can win here if you take the trade here. Okay, the first one is the make here. When the second time it's take the trade here, so you need to catch the shadow. If you can successfully catch the shadow, you will be win. Okay, there is the more highest chance to win. Okay, if you take the trade here, it's down, it's come some up, now it's green candle, it's closing. If you take the trade here for 2M, it's 1M, in 2M it's you lose. Okay, if you take the trade here for 2M down, so it's go one down and it's go up, but you will still in the winning position. Okay, so that's why I focus on the catching the shadows. Okay, you need to more practice, guys. Okay, then you go to the uh, live account. If you grip your technical analysis, you will be more interesting. Okay guys, you will be more interesting in trading. Okay, so my advice is you need to go for a technical analysis. Okay, I think is enough. And if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Okay, kindly subscribe my channel, and thank you